back to Sammy's Studio, and today I will show you how to remove your photo's background instantly with AI in Pixelmator Pro in just one click. Let's go. Start by opening your image. Then go to Top menu, Edit, Remove Background, or Shift Delete. Or you can just click on this icon here at the top of the right corner. Give it a second and that's it. Pixelmator's AI will automatically detect your subject and remove the background in seconds. Most of the time, this already looks really good, but let's refine it. If you zoom in, you might notice rough edges, especially around hair or fine details like this tattoo on his arm, and part of the shorts has been cut out. I'll undo this AI Remove Background tool by pressing Command Z and quickly duplicate the layer by Command J. We'll work on this duplicated layer. So in situations like this, I will not use AI tool and go straight to the Select Subject icon. If you don't see this icon, you can bring it out by Control-click, Customize Toolbar. You will see this panel pop out and the icons on the toolbar will start wiggling, just like when you edit your phone's home screen. Then, from the panel, drag this icon as Select Subject to the toolbar and press Done. Now you can click on the icon. It will automatically detect the subject. The result will be the same as the Remove Background tool at the beginning, but it shows the selection borderline so we can see the flaws better and give you the options to fix it. Click on this icon to bring out the Quick Selection tool or press Q. This is also my favorite tool. From now, we're going to refine the edges using this brush. You'll notice the plus sign next to it. This means you're adding areas to the selection. Just take your time and go over any spots the AI might have missed. For now, focus on the larger areas. We'll clean up the finer details in the next step. If you need to remove anything, simply hold down the Option key while brushing over those areas. You'll see the cursor switch to a minus sign, which means you're subtracting from the selection. Once you're done, click on the Select and Mask. You will see the None selection part being covered by the yellow marker. Add the Refine Edge brush. You will see the brush size. You can choose the brush size by adjusting this bar over here. Also, you can adjust the brush size by pressing these bracket buttons. And now, the brush softness. I will just leave this as it is. The higher percentage, the softer it will be. Now you can paint over tricky areas like hair, borderline parts that can easily be mixed with the background. Take your time here. This is what makes your cutout look more professional and detailed. And remember to exclude the parts that you don't want by holding Option while painting on those areas. And don't worry if you overpaint on some part that you don't want to. The AI detection will refine it for you. Then click Apply when you're done. Now you can see clearer, more detailed borderlines from the selection. Alright, click Command J to cut out the subject. So if you turn off this layer, you'll see the non-background layer. To turn off the selection borderlines, press Command D. And here you have your subject cut out perfectly. And this is the fun part. You can place your subject anywhere. Just drag in a new background image, place it under your subject layer, and adjust the lighting or colors to match. And you're done. Let me know in the comments if you want to learn how to use color balance tools or perspective matching to make everything feel cohesive and more realistic. If you found this helpful, help me out by clicking the like button and subscribe to learn more about AI power trick in Pixelmator Pro. Have a good day and see you next time.